you're gonna have a fight on the camera.
Lindsay, put your hands down. Look at those legs. Woo!
Tell us
Little
what this is,
Mennonite.
Lindsay. What's it all about? Put your hands down.
Explain what
Explain why you're dressed the way you are today.
Because it's our Infectious History Day.
And your background is what?
German.
German what?
Mennonite.
Turn sideways, your back of your hair. Turn around to stand up and turn around so you can model.
German Shepherd.
Stand up, turn around, stop. There. See the lovely job her mother did braiding her hair in pigtails. She make a lovely
Make me
little
look
cat.
like Pippi Longstocking.
You make a great Pippi Longstocking.
Well, her braids go.
Yeah. And Nicole
Don't
is
mind.
dressed in green because it's St. Patrick. Dennis, I'm not lovely yet. I'm not lovely yet.
Where's Andrew?
Right
There's
there.
Andrew. He's
Andrew.
lovely. Look at Daddy. What has he got? Gross. A crayon? I don't need crayon. Ah! Oh, Dennis, gross. Oh, gross, honey.
What's the matter?
He's a turd or something.